I just learned something very new about my tripod. This thing lifts up. What the heck? Hey, what's up? Can you see me? Am I in focus? I don't even know how to use a camera. Oh, look at that. Sparkling. I'm gonna do videos. Today, I think that I'm gonna do an undercut. Just over here, this little piece. Do you think that would be fun? I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. Okay, let's do it. Bye. Okay, so I have changed into a new shirt, and I like this shirt a lot. Thanks. Okay, so, whoa, hello. Trying to set up a tripod in a bathroom is not a skill that I have. I look like a giant from this angle. Okay. Oh, you're crooked. It's like a Dutch angle. I'm not a camera person, okay? So, I have hair ties. I have a comb. I have a little brush thing. I got some clips. And I got scissors. Oh, and I have a razor. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. I gotta figure out how to section this. Okay, so I already have an undercut in the back, which is growing out. I am thinking that if I just do like this little piece, it could be asymmetrical. If it's weird, it'll be weird. I'm gonna section this and then show you what I did, because it's just too much stress to do this in front of you. I'm shaking. Oh my god, I'm a fool. I forgot my other mirror. So I have one mirror, but I usually hang a mirror on the door. So I'll be right back, hold on. I did it. I got my mirror. Can you see me several times? Oh, look at that. Look at me. Ah! Cool, I'm gonna hang this up right here. Magic. Now I can see myself kind of. I have bad eyesight because one time I shot myself in this eye with a laser pointer. What I might do is just do like a little one and maybe like not take this piece here. But if I take like just a little side bits, I can blend it into the other undercut that I already have. You know? Like I think that's a look. And then if I take my hair down, it should still look like it's in a bob. I feel like I need a rat tail comb, which oh, I can use this. We have these like hair dye, oh, they're a little dirty. These little brushes, they're brush for, it's crunchy. These, which I guess I could just kind of like do that situation with. The undercut that I have in the back is pretty straight across. So if I kind of make like a V, I think that could be a look. I think I'm doing a look. Wig. Can you see what I've done? Kind of like a V. Hopefully it's even. If it's not, I don't care. Just turn off. Did my camera turn off? Okay, so I started cutting and I wasn't recording because I don't know how to use a camera. But I just kind of started chopping at it. Like this. And Brad Mondo would quake. But I'm sorry. Look at that. That's so fun. I should make paintbrushes. Would that be gross? That would be gross. We're chopping. This is so fun. I love cutting hair. I do a bad job, but it's so fun. Ooh. Yeah, I don't think I'm skilled enough to finish this with scissors. Like, I don't have the patience. I think I'm just gonna start buzzing it. So, yeah, let's go for it, I guess. This is not charged. Maybe? Ah, yes. This is the one. Well, maybe I should just charge this one. I don't even have the patience for that. I'm just gonna use the other one. It'll be fine. It's time. I didn't choose a guard. This guard was just already on here. So it's pretty long, but I would rather have it be too long than too short. That's so satisfying. It's scary to like, these other little hairs are in the way. You know what, this is too long, I think. Actually, no, it might be cute. I'll keep going. Oh, it's like cutting the grass. I never do this evenly. I don't like this guard. This feels too long. What is this? What is this piece? Let's see. This guard is too long. I'm gonna find a different one. Okay, so I couldn't find any other guards that weren't completely short, but I did find the charger for this one, so I'm gonna charge it and then I'll come back. I'm an idiot. It's adjustable. Let's keep going. Yeah, that's a little better. Oh, I forgot to shut the cabinets. I am not skilled. I think we gotta go shorter. All right, we're going with 5. But also my hair is getting stuck in this, so maybe I should have cut it shorter with scissors. Yeah, probably. But I did not say I was a pro. That's the ticket. So hard to see. This is gonna be so uneven. Oh, look at that. That is satisfying. That was crazy. I get scared that I'm gonna cut too high. I need more hands and more eyes. Ah, there's a piece here. Maybe I should just get those parts with scissors later. Alright, other side. Yeah. That's successful. You cannot see in any angle. Oh, that's hard. That's hard to see. I need one of those like trifold mirrors. That would be very helpful for me. Yes. Fuzzy. Am I done yet? This is taking a long time. Come on, piece of hair. Get off. What are you? There we go. Yeah. I don't need no weird little pieces like that. This thing sounds like it's dying. No! Are you kidding me? I killed him. He's dead. Maybe I just clogged him and then he died? He's dead. Well, maybe I'm done. Whew. Am I close to done? I don't know. I feel like I'm close. It feels pretty nice. There are definitely some pieces that are too long, but you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and get him with the scissor, maybe. That's so scary. Probably fine, right? Oh, that's a little. That's chunky. Ah, no, turn back on. Just for a second. So I can get that piece behind my ear. Yeah, huzzah. Oh, this is terrible. I killed him. He's dead. Cue the sad music. World's tiniest violin. It's just a little sad. But you know what? This doesn't feel terrible. It feels pretty nice. Is that cut? Yeah, it's. Oh no. Oh no. The ears. It's really the ears are the hard part. Like, stay on. Stay alive. No. Do it again. And he's dead. Can I get it with scissors? It's just not gonna be the same. Ah, scissors could do anything. That's not true. Well, I'm gonna take my hair down and then see if this is bad or not. So, yeah, let's, oh, you know what? I have a bunch of bobby pins in here. Hold on. I'm damp. I just showered. I'm gonna blow dry and then you're gonna see what's happening. Okay. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Look at that. Who is that? Look at this. Ooh. It's subtle. You know, I could hide it. I could be like, yeah, no, nothing weird here. And then I'm like, ah! A little tuck. I like it. I need a hair tie. Where are my hair ties at? Here's one. On the floor where I keep my stuff. Boom. Look at that bun. Wow. Weird. Yeah, so it's a little whoop whoop, you know, wobbly, but if you care, then bye. Hey, what's up? How you doing? Look at that. Let me cut your hair. Somebody let me practice on you. I'll do it for free. I honestly will. But yeah, I'm feeling funky fresh. I feel funky fresh. Well, I have a freckle, I think. I hope you enjoyed my content. Have a great rest of your day. I think you're great, and you're cool, and you're funny, and hilarious. So, you know, we should be friends or something. Yeah. Whatever. What do people say at the end of these? Like, comment, subscribe. Outro. Outro. This is the outro. I hope you enjoyed.